What's up, guys? Holton Trades here, doing the trade recap for the day, and hopefully being able to share a little bit with you guys my strategy and what I traded off of today. So this is day 45 of me trading ICT concepts, giving myself 90 days to be profitable. I stream live every Monday through Friday if you guys want to hang out with me and see if we can make some profit together. This is not financial advice at all, for the disclaimer part. But other than that, let's get into it. So we had a break of structure at 9 off these levels up here. Let me do this. Off of those levels up here. We had it break below here as well. So a break of structure at 9. We had a fair value gap here, then first presented fair value gap. So what I do is I drew a Fibonacci from the high, the swing high to the swing low, and we were waiting for price to pull back into that first presented fair value gap before I would want to go short. Unfortunately, I didn't do that. It just went all on its own and made the profit that it wanted to make, I guess, for the day, leaving me out. So I was getting kind of a little bit of FOMO at this point, but I just waited for a trade setup. We had this huge move higher after taking a large, a daily range or a daily candle sell side. So there's a significant sell side resting at this area, and then there's one down around that area somewhere. Since we took out that sell side, I saw this huge move up, and then also we were trading in a discount on the daily, so I thought there would be a good opportunity for us to take a buy around this area and hopefully run up into above that equilibrium level before we wouldn't take another buy. So we had this fair value gap. It was, let me see here, take that off. So we have the fair value gap resting below equilibrium from this range. So that high here to that low there. And then it dipped down into it. We bought. It came against us. Our stop loss was here. And then our take profit was at equilibrium or just above that high. Honestly, I didn't have a take profit. But I went to work around this time here, so I wasn't able to watch the trade. I just kind of figured if it went against me, it went against me, but if it went for me, I would have enough time to kind of check the trade and see where I was at. The trade went in my favor, and we had it dip. We had it break structure here. This was the first break of structure towards the upside. This range here, the candles that moved up here, didn't have any break of structure, but this was the first break of structure. We'd form higher or lower highs all through here, and then we broke, which gave us more confirmation that we could definitely continue the bullish trend. So then we broke above. This was on my lunch break. We broke above here, that little structure there. And then we retraced down into that fair value gap below that 50% retracement off of this range from that swing low to that swing high. So we took another trade here, and we exited right at that candle there. And the reason why I exited there is because if we take the last swing high to this last swing low, this candle is a PD array at which it's trading into a premium. So anything above that, above equilibrium is premium. And then there was a fair value gap here, and I just wanted to get out at that level as I thought we could see some reversals. So we took off one because remember we have two positions. We have this position and that position. We took off one here. It went down against us some more, and then I took off one there. Eventually, it went down further. I'm glad I was able to take some profits off that trade, and then we took one loss here of 300. So total today, I think we made around 3,400, 3,500. we had that loss by last trade of 345, and then we had a total profit of net or gross profit of 389, around 3,900. So minus the 345, it's around 3,500. But I am trading the leap competition that TradingView is doing. That's why my size is a little bit higher, because they start you out with a $250,000 account. But yeah, so to kind of recap the recap, so place one trade here off of that fair value gap, place another one off of a fair value gap, because we had break of structure on this one. We had break of structure to the upside, had a retracement below equilibrium into a fair value gap, and then took another buy here. So, and then we took two sells here, or two take profits here, closing our position above equilibrium level at a premium level. So all right, and then that was it. So hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day, lovely night for me, and we will see you guys tomorrow. And if you guys want, I will be trading live tomorrow, so if you guys want to come and hang out and see, I have some questions or even some ideas to see if we can be profitable. All right, hope you guys have a lovely day.